Video.
Woo!
What's your name?
Samara.
Samara. I'm Matthew. We're gonna go ride in the GTR, okay? Let's move this up a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. I feel like a princess. I feel like a princess.
Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, you get fancy stuff.
Yeah. I never drove one of these before.
Oh, they're fun.
Yeah, but
This is a twin turbo Japanese monster.
a Japanese monster, you said?
They call it Godzilla.
Whoa.
That's what they call this. Godzilla.
Because it drives so fast.
Yep.
I got Lenny's and I got mine, so like,
Yeah.
bro, they called me Samek. But they wrote a K instead of an R, but it's alright. Oh, so you guys have a backup camera. The last one, he didn't tell me he had a backup camera.
Yep.
Oh, yay! No air! No air! Last time I went in this, oh yeah! Oh, thank you. Last time I went in this, he didn't know. He didn't put. Everybody is gonna be asking me, why am I not here? Because I'm gonna be famous because I'm riding on these.
That's right.
And I'm only 6 years old.
That's it?
6 years old.
You're very, very well spoken for a 6-year-old.
Yeah.
Very well. You have brothers and sisters?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. My sister's at home because she didn't want to go.
How old is she?
19.
Oh, wow.
Then Lenny's 2 and he's about to turn 3 in August.
Wow, you're very tall for 6 years old.
Yeah.
You're-
People People think I'm 8 for some reason.
Oh my God, you don't look a day over 9.
Yeah, but my bestie, she's older than me, but I'm taller than her. It's
You're going to be very tall. You can play sports, you know?
Yeah.
Basketball, or tennis, or even soccer.
Yeah, I'm going to do cheer.
Cheer's good too.
Yeah, I love it. I wanted to be a flyer, but I'm too tall, so that's why I'm going to be like us.
Are you ready to get going?
Yeah, I'm ready to get going.
GTR on track, GTR on track. We're going to go whoosh, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
And
let's go.
Okay, now hit for the drop. Woo!
Oh, it's like a roller coaster, right?
Yeah, Mama. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hit the brake.
Hit the brake. Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, is right.
You're going to the tree!
I'm not gonna hit the tree. I do scare them though. Alright.
Now, oh my gosh!
You gotta hold on there.
Yeah. I'm about to put, okay.
Go a couple more, you ready?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, don't pull the e-brake. Here you go.
I'm holding on as tight as I can.
You're doing great.
Okay.
This thing does well in the rain.
Yeah, this. I feel like oh my gosh! I feel like you're about to hit the tree.
Now we're gonna do one more, okay?
Okay, one more. 3, 2, 1, and
Let's go now.
This thing goes pretty fast.
Oh, GTR is fantastic. It drives really well. It's got really good tires on it.
Yeah.
Brand new car. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna pull off the track, okay?
Okay, I'm on it. Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, well, here we go. That was awesome.
How was it?
Amazing!
Did you love it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Did I love it? I loved it. Can you open the door, please? Of course. It's like a princess.
That's right. Princess with a GTR.
You had a good time?
Thanks.